Are you bored and lack motivation? Are you tired of the same old thing every day? Do you want to have a self-care day, but you seem not to care? Yes, I'm talking to you. Uh-huh. So let's head to the kitchen where you will search and definitely find everything you need for a DIY spa day. Coconut oil, salt, and of course strawberries. We want to wash these bad boys. All we need is two. Cut them, yes, add a splash of water, blend. Then we get a bowl, add our salt, a nice amount, some coconut oil. I do about a spoonful or so, and make sure it's nice and grainy because it's gonna be your nice exfoliator. Yes, for your body, it's gonna leave it nice. Now we head to the restroom where we will use coconut oil. Yes, again. You're going to take a good amount and rub it on your face. This is going to take care of any remaining makeup you may have before we put our mask, which is the strawberry and water concoction, on our face. Now we're going to use coconut oil again, yes, again, for our ends of our hair and our hair in general for a nice hair mask. I don't use this coconut oil in the kitchen, only in the restroom for my crazy DIY beauty hacks. Yes, I do. Now that you're done with that, you're going to put your hair up and then go ahead and go in with your strawberry and water concoction. You can add coconut water to give it a little bit of extra hydration. I learned this hack from a fellow YouTuber. They said Marilyn Monroe actually used the same beauty regimen with the strawberry and the water every day to keep her skin nice and glowy. Oh my gosh, what an inspiration she is to me. Yes. Plus, hey, all the antioxidants aren't bad either, right? So once we're done with that, I like to let both of the masks sit for about 10 to 15 minutes minimum. You can leave it on longer if you like. It really just depends on how much time you have, which apparently a lot of us have a lot of time nowadays. But yeah, next, I like to either sip a cup of coffee while I wait, read a book while I'm drinking a sip of coffee, write a play, who knows. But after I step into the shower, I take my exfoliator, and usually the water's on and I'm taking my mask off at the same time, but I am exfoliating my body with that coconut oil and salt. Oh my gosh, it's gonna leave your skin so nice. But once you are all done, of course I'm not gonna show you the shower process, you feel good, yeah, put your moisturizers on your face, and after that we're gonna go ahead and get ready for some beauty. Yes, who says you can't look fabulous even while being at home? Oh yeah. Something about getting ready just makes me feel so productive for the day, even if I have nothing planned. Maybe I'll try a new hairstyle or stick with an old favorite. Next, outfits. Yes, I love getting dressed up every day if I can. Yes, it just makes you feel so nice when you wear your nice clothes, even if you're not going anywhere, because they can't just sit there and be ignored, right? Back to reality and Netflix. Happy quarantine, everyone. And that's it. That's the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did enjoy, please hit that like button. If you haven't already, please subscribe so you can see more of me and more content. These little tricks, the hair mask, the face mask, and the body scrub, I do use pretty regularly. I'm not a professional or anything like that. I'm just a regular girl, just giving tips, advice that I've learned throughout the years that work for me and work well. And until next time, remember to stay fabulous and stay glamorous. Bye, guys. Mwah. Oh, yeah. 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 Which side's my better side? This side or this side? Ooh, this side's way better. Yes. Ooh, oh, my. That was an Instagram picture if I ever seen one. Yes. Ooh. Ooh.